What is Bonk Crypto? I'm here to tell you today exactly what Bonk Crypto is. So before we get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just education purposes only. Let's roll the video. Let's go. So Bonk Crypto. Bonk is a meme coin with a mission. It was created in part to support the Solana blockchain. Now it has been seen on Exodus and of funds of users since crypto exchange FTX filed for bankruptcy in November, and its native Solana token drop over 37%. Now you can follow along with Reuters.com. Okay, that link down below. The Solana token has now indeed jumped as Bonk has gained transaction in up to 131% in 2023, the biggest gainer among major cryptocurrencies. Rumors of Solana's death seem to have been greatly exaggerated, said Tom Dumbley, senior research analyst at Mazari. Despite the recent price appreciation seemingly being driven by speculation, the underlying ecosystem remains quite strong. Now, what does Bonk aim to achieve? Follow on learn.bybit.com. Bonk's self-proclaimed mission is to restore the power of Solana's community. At the same time, it wants to be the main Solana coin. A part of its goal is to be used by the masses rather than controlled by a select few. The Bonk airdrop went to what describes as a social layer of the network. That includes DeFi traders, NFT enthusiasts, and developers who actively strive to improve Solana through their efforts. Now, at the same time, Bonk was to encourage those who are not yet active with the Web3 to explore the space. In addition, Bonk plans to continue to support the evolution of Solana through its creation of Bonk.io. This is a governing party led by the Solana community. In addition, Bonk tokens have been set aside for the future development of Solana, promotional activities, and other key incentives. Now you're all thinking, how does Bonk work? So Bonk is a Solana Dogecoin that can be compared to other Doge-themed meme coins, such as DOGE, SHIB, created to support Solana and promote its continued evolution. Its primary utility is rooted in the widespread use of token Bonk. By airdropping the tokens to numerous wallets, Bonk has successfully and widely distributed its released tokens. Further, it has rejuvenated interest in Solana after what was a particularly rough year for the platform. Now, by being broadly circulated rather than held by a smaller group of big investors, the Bonk token is better able to help Solana community realize the full potential of the blockchain platform. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you're notified. Be safe out there and do your own research, and I'll see you on the next video.